So hello guys, today I bought a new video for you. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not working problem solve. So at first we all know that we should check our data connection. If it is not on, then turn it on once, and after that come to the Play Store. After coming to the Play Store, type your Gmail. After coming here, make sure that your Gmail should be updated. After updating this app, come to the setting once, come back to the setting, app management. You have to search for app management, app management. After searching this app management, come in the app list. After coming to the app list, search for Gmail. After coming here, so guys, click in this force stop. After clicking this, come to the storage users. After coming in storage users, clean this bot, clear cache and clear data. After clicking in this bot, come to the permission once, and after coming in permission, click in this storage. After clicking this storage, make sure that your app should be allow. After allowing this, go back to the setting once again, search for software update. So guys, even if it is not updating, so please update it now. So after doing this all, even still now, if it is not working, then switch off your mobile once and turn it on. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you guys.